People are not perfect. They have weaknesses, and some have wound, and others are worried. And because they have wound, they are worried, and they have weaknesses. You need to learn to live with people. If you don't know how to live with people, you'll have problem with them, and you'll have pain. When you have problem with people, you need to be able to solve the problem. Find a solution for you to be able to live in peace. When you are able to live in peace, you'll be able to prosper, progress. And it is my prayer that you choose peace. What do you do when you're hurt? What do you do when people hurt you, and harass you? You need to learn. And one thing that I'll tell you, when you're hurt, learn to forgive. It's for your benefit for you to forgive. When you forgive, you become free. When you forgive, you're able to plan. You're able to progress. When you forgive, you're able to enjoy your life. When you forgive, you're able to do a lot. Forgiveness is the best thing for you. Because you love yourself, learn to forgive those who hurt you. It does not matter what they have done, but learn to forgive because you're helping yourself. You are not helping yourself when you hate people, when you have that unforgiveness. Unforgiveness does not help. It wounds you. It hurts you. It makes you unhappy. Do you want to be happy? Learn to forgive. How do you live? What do you do when people hurt you? 1, forgive. The second thing that you need to learn to do when you hurt, free yourself from anger. Free yourself. It's a choice. You can choose to act or to react. It's your choice. How do you react at what people do to you, what people say? You need to be wise. You will not stop people talking. You will not stop people from doing bad things to you. But you can choose to react, to act in a wise, in a great way. If you listen to them, you pay attention to what they are saying, you'll not be able to go far. You'll be hurting yourself. You deserve the best. Why hurting yourself? When people hurt you, forgive. The second thing that you need to do is free yourself from anger. And the third thing, focus. Don't lose focus because of what you hear and see. Many people have a lot of ideas, but you're losing focus. It is my prayer that you be strong and stable in order for you to be successful. When you're hurt, forgive, and you'll be able to go far. I don't know who has hurt you. Learn to forgive for you to be able to progress, to be productive, and to be peaceful. Live in peace, you'll be able to plan well. You deserve the best. This is Shaviha. Remember to subscribe. This is for you for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.